All right, so you're using Instagram and you're focusing on using Instagram to promote and market your business. Here's the scenario. There is another business in your immediate local area that you would like to work with or potentially collaborate on a project with and be able to potentially refer clients back and forth with each other. How can you do that and how can you get their attention on the Instagram platform? Hey everybody, I'm Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and for that specific scenario, I've got an easy hack for you that really does work on the Instagram platform. This is really an easy one for most people to perfect, and I'm going to call it a technique and not necessarily a hack. It is one that, because as humans we love attention, we just gravitate towards anybody that gives us more than just the average like of a posting. When we do like somebody's posting on Instagram, that's great. However, when you're really trying to get somebody's attention, just liking somebody's post or potentially saying one comment, you can really easily get lost in the shuffle. So this particular technique really helps you stand out. And I've got a screen recording of my phone that I want to show you here that I think will really help you understand how this can actually benefit you. So, first off, you have to decide who you want to use this technique with. Focus on other businesses in your immediate area. If you are a visual artist of some sort, maybe you do paintings, maybe there is a gallery in your immediate area that you would like to get on their good graces with. Or if you happen to be in my particular niche as a professional florist, maybe there is an event venue location that you would really like to work with and possibly get on their preferred vendor list. You've got to be able to get those lines of communication open with these people. So, this technique needs to happen on their Instagram feed. You want to be able to see what their 6 most recent postings are, and hopefully they are a business that uses Instagram enough that they're posting fairly regularly, possibly even every day. What you want to do, and you can see on my screen here, is you want to quickly scroll through their top 6 recent postings, and you want to quickly like every single one of them. You want to go through that list, or I shouldn't even say list, go through those postings really quick and like every single one right after the other. What that's going to do is it's going to, in a way, reserve a block of space in their notifications for you. Then, once you have liked those 6 postings, go back to the first one and then go down the list with each one of those postings and leave a comment for them. Make sure it is something that is positive. Give them a compliment on that posting. Maybe agree with them if it's some sort of a funny posting with something that happened to them today, or leave a compliment if it's something that you really love, something that they shared with their followers. You can even include, as part of that, a question, possibly letting them know that, hey, I'm another business in your immediate local area. Maybe we can collab sometime. People love this amount of attention. And because you first went through their feed and liked those 6 postings, you are now showing up in their notifications in a larger block. So you are definitely going to be noticed. Once you do this, you can take it one step farther and leave them a direct message. DMing on Instagram is one of the preferred ways that many businesses communicate these days. So don't underestimate the power of sending somebody a direct message on the Instagram platform. But I encourage you to really try this technique because it definitely does help and make a difference. Most people cannot ignore your attention, and they will make a point of reaching out to you, replying to your comments, and hopefully they are also going to make a point of following you back. If you like content like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, definitely do so. Every week I am sharing helpful tips and tricks for helping you optimize your overall web presence so that you can create a really successful business. Until next time, check out this next video. It's all on the same topic of growing your Instagram feed. Until next time, bye for now.